Question number 1 is, what is virtualization in the context of operating systems? The options are simulating hardware components in software, enhancing graphical user interfaces, managing file systems efficiently, optimizing CPU performance. The correct option is simulating hardware components in software. Question number 2 is, which virtualization technique allows multiple operating systems to run simultaneously on a single physical machine? The options are emulation, para-virtualization, full virtualization, containerization. The correct option is full virtualization. Question number 3 is, what is a hypervisor in the context of virtualization? The options are a hardware component that accelerates virtual machines performance, an operating system designed specifically for virtual machines, a software layer that enables the creation and management of virtual machines, a protocol for communication between virtual machines. The correct option is a software layer that enables the creation and management of virtual machines. Question number 4 is, which of the following is an example of type 1 hypervisor? The options are VMware Workstation, VirtualBox, Microsoft Hyper-V, VMware ESXi. The correct option is VMware ESXi. Question number 5 is, what is the purpose of live migration in virtualization? The options are moving a virtual machine from one physical host to another without service interruption, upgrading virtual machine hardware components, converting a physical machine into a virtual machine, installing software updates on virtual machines. The correct option is moving a virtual machine from one physical host to another without service interruption. Question number 6 is, which virtualization technique requires modifications to the guest operating system to improve performance? The options are emulation, para-virtualization, full virtualization, containerization. The correct option is para-virtualization. Question number 7 is, what is the snapshot in the context of virtualization? The options are a virtual machine image used for deployment, a backup copy of virtual machine's state at a specific point in the time, a virtual machine template for creating new instances, a virtual management tool. The correct option is a backup copy of virtual machine's state at a specific point in time. Question number 8 is, which virtualization technique shares the host operating system's kernel among multiple isolated user space instances? The options are emulation, para-virtualization, full virtualization, containerization. The correct option is containerization. Question number 9 is, what is the purpose of a virtual switch in virtualized environments? The options are managing network traffic between virtual machines and physical networks, optimizing CPU performance for virtual machines, allocating memory resources to virtual machines, emulating hardware components for virtual machines. The correct option is managing network traffic between virtual machines and physical networks. Question number 10 is, which of the following is an advantage of virtualization? The options are increased physical hardware utilization, decreased complexity in managing IT infrastructure, improved security for virtual machines, reduced dependency on network connectivity. The correct option is increased physical hardware utilization. Question number 11 is, what is the purpose of a virtual CPU vCPU in virtualized environments? The options are handling input-output operations for virtual machines, simulating physical CPU resources for virtual machines, managing memory allocation for virtual machines, providing network connectivity to virtual machines. The correct option is simulating physical CPU resources for virtual machines. Question number 12 is which of the following is not a type 2 hypervisor? The options are VMware Workstation, Oracle VirtualBox, Microsoft Hyper-V, Parallels Desktop. The correct option is Microsoft Hyper-V. Question number 13 is what is a host operating system in the context of virtualization? The options are the operating system running on a physical machine hosting virtual machines, the operating system installed within a virtual machine, a specialized operating system designed for managing virtual machines, the primary operating system used by end users. The correct option is the operating system running on a physical machine hosting virtual machines. Question number 14 is which of the following is not a virtualization use case? The options are server consolidation, disaster recovery, data encryption, software testing and development. The correct option is data encryption. Question number 15 is what is the purpose of resource pooling in virtualized environments? The options are ensuring high availability for virtual machines, sharing physical hardware resources among multiple virtual machines, encrypting data transmitted between virtual machines, monitoring performance metrics for virtual machines. The correct option is sharing physical hardware resources among multiple virtual machines. Question number 16 is what is a virtual appliance in the context of virtualization? The options are a software tool for managing virtual machines, a pre-configured virtual machine image for specific applications or services, a hardware device used for hosting virtual machines, a network switch optimized for virtualized environments. The correct option is a pre-configured virtual machine image for specific applications or services. Question number 17 is what is the purpose of a virtual disk in virtualized environments? The options are managing network connections for virtual machines, providing storage space for virtual machines, file and data, simulating physical memory resources for virtual machines, controlling access to virtual machines. The correct option is providing storage space for virtual machine, files and data. Question number 18 is which virtualization technique allows unmodified guest operating systems to run alongside the host operating system? The options are full virtualization, para virtualization, hardware virtualization, application virtualization. The correct option is application virtualization. Question number 19 is what is a virtual network interface card VNIC in virtualized environments? The options are a physical network adapter installed on a virtual machine, a software component that emulates network connectivity for virtual machines, a hardware device used for connecting virtual machines to physical networks, a virtual switch for managing network traffic between virtual machines. The correct option is a software component that emulates network connectivity for virtual machines. Question number 20 is what is the purpose of memory ballooning in virtualized environments? The options are controlling access to virtual machines based on user permissions, optimizing memory allocation for virtual machines, monitoring network traffic between virtual machines to improve memory utilization by reclaiming unused memory from virtual machines. The correct option is to improve memory utilization by reclaiming unused memory from virtual machines.